Today we're going to show you how to install the new Tech Glock Gen 5 recoil system into your pistol. First, remove the slide from your Glock and remove the guide rod and spring in one piece. Remove the parts from the packaging, and with the hole in the guide rod facing up, place the spring over the guide rod and compress it and lock it into position using the tool provided. Now you need to install the adapter into the slide, and once that's in position, you can insert the guide rod with the spring, front first, back second, and then remove the retaining pin. And that's it, it's done. You can replace your slide onto the frame and you've successfully installed the new guide rod recoil system from Tech. Thank you.